Hi everybody, in this video we will discuss about carbylamine reaction. So let us see. Aniline reacts with chloroform in the presence of 3 molecules of potassium hydroxide, then we can get phenyl isocyanide and 3 molecules of potassium chloride plus 3 molecules of water. Okay, so let us see how mechanism takes place. First of all, we can consider the reactant will be aniline, and then we know about nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, and then nitrogen is 7 atomic number, then valence is mostly -3, sometimes +5. Okay, N7. Next, so then CCl2, actually see chloroform will be decomposed, then what do we get? Actually CHCl3 decompose, we get CCl2 plus HCl. Okay, so HCl will be releases from the reaction, so that's what here CCl2 minus, and then so these here 2 extra electrons will be present on the nitrogen, and actually it is contains 5 bonds, 5 valency it has considered 5 plus 5, then 2 hydrogens already present in the nitrogen, then 2 electrons also will be present there, that's what here consider nitrogen plus 5. Then this nitrogen will be reacts with the carbon, then what do we get here? See, so nitrogen already present 2 hydrogens bonding with 2 hydrogens, then CCl2 will be there. CCl2 has minus charge like ion, like anion, so that's what the CCl2 will be reacts with nitrogen, then forms as like intermediate compound. Then what happens there? This bond will be reacts here, then the electrons will be transferred, and then the nitrogen contains only +3 like valency, and -3 actually is nothing but like 3 bonds. Nitrogen mostly forms in the 3 bonds only. So then here 1 hydrogen, already here carbon will be there, and 1 more carbon. Then here the carbon contains again the carbon valence of the carbon is 4 and +4, and atomic number is 6 only. So carbon contains the valency is +4, due to this carbon possible of the bond of the carbon is 4, then 1 bond with hydrogen, 2 bonds with the 2 chlorine ions, and then 1 more nitrogen. And then what happens here? See, 1 more potassium hydroxide, when do we can consider 1 more molecule in the presence of potassium hydroxide, then -HCl will be removed here like this, -HCl. Then what is the remaining compounds, remaining elements? See once again. So carbon reacts with nitrogen, and then like bonding with nitrogen, and 1 more chlorine and 1 hydrogen will be there. Okay, so then that's what to satisfy the carbon valency, then carbon forms as double bond with the nitrogen, and again in the presence of 1 more potassium hydroxide, and then what happens again? 1 more HCl will be removed from the reaction. Then what do we get? Only C and N only. So to satisfy this carbon valency, then it is formed with a triple bond, then it gets a negative charge, and here come to this nitrogen valency. Observe the nitrogen valency. So actually -3 and +5 is the valence of the nitrogen due to the atomic number of 7. That's what it is. It has the bonded, like formation of the bonds of the nitrogen is 4. Here 3 plus 1, 4 bonds. That's what it gets a plus charge, plus valency. Okay, so like this way we can get phenyl isocyanide.